Okay, we up in Tampa. We at Gandhi's bait shop and grab some fiddler crab and some shrimp. We called earlier, they have fiddler crabs. So let's go inside and see what they have. Okay, so what you gotta do, you gotta pay inside and then come outside and then they give you the shrimp. Take a look at the board what they have. Alright, the fiddler shop is next door to the shrimp shop. We're right next door, that's where we got the shrimp from. That fiddler crab is selling over here. So the two bait shops are right next to each other. It's crazy, right? Just trying to see if we get some mud crabs under these rocks. Do you see any over there? So it's good to come at low tide. You get, you turn over those rocks, you get some nice crab to fish with sheepshead and drum and redfish, even by your side on the east coast too. Okay, let me come out to help you. Alright. Let me see if you can see, there's lots of bait fish right under there. So I'm going to throw the cast net and see if I catch some. Hopefully. They tend to dive really quickly. They're close to the piling, so I gotta be careful with the net also. Let it sink. I'm away from the piling, so I know my net should be good. I have on some long rope. It's kind of deep over here too. Let's see if we get any. There's a couple. Oh, look at that manta ray. Look at that ray. There's a ray with a ray. Okay. Those boards gonna come, so you gotta make sure you get them in the water and close the bucket, right? See, he's gone with it already. You gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. So for these mackerel, I'm gonna try for today. I got a long shank hook and I'm gonna tie. This leader is only 20 pounds because see the water is very clear, and these mackerel, they see the leader, they will not take the bait, or they will just hit the bait and go away, kill the bait and just move away. I'm just snelling this line onto the hook. That's it. This I'm going to tie to my main line, and hopefully we get some mackerel with this. We can try it this way first and see if we get the mackerel with this. I'm not using any weight on the main line. But I do see a lot of bait around here, so that's why I'm trying it on this side. There's another ray. There's a couple of them. Look what Ray got.
I got a big one. Big one.
Seeing more rays and I'm seeing fish. Look. We're catching these pinfish. Keep those small pinfish.
Catching the bait.
Yeah. Put them in a bucket. We can use them to catch some snappers later. Bucket right here. Put it in this bucket right here.
Baby mutton.
Let's take it out easy. Oh, oh.
The mutton have a black spot on it.
It's gone.
Yeah?
Right, this is good size bait, Need about 10 more like these.
I didn't think you would have catch any.
So I'm gonna cut this fish up and use this as bait too. Let's chum the water with the head and the tail. See it's drifting, going to the pilings. So I'm using small little pieces. Let me throw the guts too. Just gonna find the thicker side and hook it. That's it. Let's see if we get a bite on the fish. Oh yes. As soon as it reaches by the piling, you're gonna get a bite. I'm seeing a lot of mangroves spinning there. Look, I think he's taking the fish. Oh yeah. Let's see how big this one is. This might be a keeper. Is that a black sea bass? Look at the size of this one. That's the biggest I ever caught over here. Yeah. Wow. I wonder how big you gotta be to keep these. I think they're 10 inches or 12 inches. I'm not so sure. We're just gonna throw this one back. So he's under 10. Let's throw him back this way. And that's what I got him on. I got him on a piece of fish. Yeah. Alright, let's bait him back. You guys look in the water, you see a lot of bait fish and a lot of bigger fish are coming up from underneath and hitting them. Look, right over here. It's just about midday and we are now fishing the outgoing tide. I think those are smaller mangroves. See Ambre? Yeah. Ah! Something walked me in a hole over here. I think it's a crab. Alright. Let's hope I don't lose this setup. Oh, I got it back. Yeah, it's just a crab. Alright. Let's get some more bait.
I'm not interested, man.
Not interested. No sheepshead today. We catch enough sheepshead by us. Cutting them. I'm hoping to get some mackerel with those live bait. So let's cut this one up. Let's see what we're going to catch. Come on. Stop playing with the bait and grab it. This is a little pinfish. We're gonna keep them for some bigger snappers later. See how the pinfish is just eating out the meat and giving me back the bone. Let's go again. Ray is fishing for some sheepshead that he sees on the piling over there. Hopefully catch a couple. He's been in a slump lately. Oh. Lots of pinfish came by. Lots and lots of pinfish. Ray got him. There's a big man. Let me see it. Look at that. You want to take a picture with your phone with it?
No.
Alright. Hold him upside well, let me get a good shot with it. Look how beautiful it is, huh? You know they have different colors, eh? Blue and all different colors. Nice. Yeah. I know it's tasty when we cook it with the SKYWAY.
Is that keeper?
Nah.
to be a 35?
Yeah. I've got a very small weight, I think this is like half an ounce. We've got a little bead, swivel, about a foot leader. And that's number 2 hook, yeah. I'm using some live shrimp and I'm pinching the tail and threading the shrimp onto the hook. And I'm going to throw it right by that piling right there. Let's see how close I can get. I need to drift a little. So the water's going that way. Let's re-throw that. I need to get it closer to that piling. Alright, perfect. So I'm going to move to the right because when the mangrove hit the shrimp or the bait, they will run for the piling. So I want to pull them away this way. So you see the old rod going down? Darn, he got with it. Oh man, did you see this all? What is this, right? Look. Wow. Let's get a new pinfish and put him out. I put this one out just now and something pulled the whole line. Here we've been fishing what, 5 hours now. We've been to the north side, south side, east side, west side. Nothing but a bunch of small fish. Ray's even sleeping. So we're gonna go try in the shallows for some sheepshead. Hopefully we get something. Look where we are, up at Skyway. It's a beautiful Saturday. Everything beautiful but the fish catching. Look at the water condition, nice. Alright, let's head out. I need to see your license and registration, sir.
Yo! Guys are back, huh?
That's Frank from Flagler. You caught a bluefish?
You feel the bucket, man? Man, hand fisher.
Frank,
What's up,
Frank said he caught a bluefish. A nice bluefish, Frank?
Yeah, I got a bluefish, yeah, that's about it, brother.
What do you caught it? What do you caught it on?
A shrimp.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I got some sand fleas, nothing.
Yeah.
I got some greenies, nothing. A guy here just poured a Spanish mackerel on a green. And a guy here, that guy in the white, he just had the
tarpon on.
Tarpon, yeah.
Yeah, we stopped there and saw it.
You all rolling up?
No, we're checking. We're going in the shallows.
Okay. See,
nothing is really biting, so we're looking.
Back to the shadow, and it's a guy down there all the way at the end. He had something on his line. It had to be about that big, but it broke off. And we never got to see what it was. Hey, it's hit and miss here, man. You know, you just never know. I have never caught a sheep there. All I ever catch a Spanish mackerel and bluefish.
I caught sheep there.
We caught some sheepshead here a couple of months ago.
Really?
We caught lots of sheepshead
down here?
Yeah, way in the shallows.
I tried that first bridge before the guardhouse. I see a lot of people always fishing there, but I never seen anybody pulling up nothing. But
yeah, we saw sheepheads, but they won't bite.
So just not us. Lots of people will get. Lots of people not getting bite today.
Fiddler crab, salmon.
Wow.
As soon as they drop the bait.
This is one of the nice things with Skyway. You can sit in your car and fish right here. Look, just close by. So whenever we come here, we don't have to take anything out of the van. That's, you know, you sit inside some shade and wait on the bite. So I'm sitting in the van fishing, especially when the sun hot. You look good. Look at the pigeons on the wall. And those guys are catching some sheepshead over there. Let's get back. So there's a 3 limit fishing pole per person, or a fishing line, you know, like ray fishes with hand line too. And that's one of the booths you can pay at. So if you pay at this, on this bridge, the ticket is good for 24 hours and it's good on the other bridge also. And I think it's $4 per person and $4 per vehicle. You get to fish this entire pier. We're closing off today. We're up at Skyway. Ray is tired, he's got to go home.
Yeah, gotta hit the road.
He
man.
caught about 100 small fish. If you join them together, they can beat one size of the redfish. Today's a micro kind of day, but you know, it is what it is. It's Skyway. It's a hit or miss at Skyway, you know. Let me know what you guys think. We've come here many times before. We got mackerel, we got sheepshead. Today just wasn't that day. But lots of guys are still fishing. These guys over here just came out too. So we're heading home. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.